Meanwhile, the government is planning to roll out tougher legislation to protect natural assets from exploitation. Now, while touring a section of the Great Bay Area in St. Elizabeth on Friday, Prime Minister Andrew Holness said the law will also look to reclaim private lands with natural resources. Javon Keys reports.
The Great Bay Area in St. Elizabeth has been plagued with illegal sand mining, an activity which threatens not just the land, but the natural ecosystem.
Right here is the Great Bay Sand Dune, one of the largest sand dunes in Jamaica, extend approximately 2 kilometers to the coast from where we are. Then behind me, what you're seeing here is one of the pond systems in the Treasure Beach area. The entire pond system in Treasure Beach are all interconnected, so in periods of heavy rain, the entire system is just one biological system working.
Disturbing the space could cause major flooding of adjoining communities and threaten creatures in the ecology. Issues like these, the government says, are of major concern and require legislative shifts to clamp down on perpetrators.
The government has to take action, legislative action, in increasing the fines. And it is not just in the area of the environment, it is right across the board. What we are facing is that the society is advancing very quickly. Private initiative is moving very quickly. There is a threat to our social order. And we need to ensure that the legislative framework matches the energy that exists for growth and development.
Mr. Holness says the government will also look to reclaim private lands with natural resources.
The current structure of our law does impose a duty and does give a system of protection for these natural assets which may be on private property. We, however, have concluded that for greater protection, ecologically sensitive natural assets should be not just protected by law enforced on private owners, but where the sensitivity is significant, that the government should seek to reclaim those, should seek to own them, which would mean that we would have to engage with owners and buy those properties.
Javon Keys, TVJ News.